Can install Net 3.5 on Windows 10. When I try to install Net 3.5, I get the following message. The following feature couldn't be installed. .NET Framework 3.5 includes Net 2.0 and 3.0. Error code 0x800F081F. I tried with a standalone package and through Windows features. Update, internet connection is fine.
Please open a command prompt, cmd.x, as admin and run the following command to install Net 3.5. Replace D with your mounted Win10 ISO. In some environment, DISM fails to fetch the file, proxy, network policies. The DISM command takes the files from the DVD and you're fine. If you are MSDN subscriber, you can also download the Windows 10 features on demand, ISO, mount the ISO, copy the Microsoft Windows Net 3 on-demand package.cab to C:/features, or a different folder, and those commands. If this fails, run this.
Windows side-by-side, WinSC's location is probably empty in the registry. From the GUI called from aquiz.cpl, this results in error code 0x800F081F. Check/add the subkey servicing, and the value of local source path. It should contain a correct string, for example D:/sources/SXS, data type, reg_SC. Where D represents your Windows Media Drive letter.
This may be another option. This URL, uploaded on June 27, 2016, last comments were in 2019, appears to work with an air-gapped computer.
I was stumped when this was failing as well, but then found out I had a group policy blocking me from enabling Windows features. Edit.msc and GT:/GT, computer configuration and GT:/GT, administrative templates and GT:/GT, system and GT:/GT, specify settings for optional component installation and component repair. Set to enabled and check. Contact Windows Update directly to download repair content instead of Windows Server Update Services, USS. Source, this URL. From Strikeforce, 0 comment.
If you want to support the channel,